Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Acorn Turret in grounded. First, you need to locate the massive fallen oak tree in the backyard. Around its base, you'll find numerous acorn pieces. Gather several of these, then take them to any field station. Analyzing these pieces will unlock the crafting recipe for the Acorn Turret, a crucial step in your defense strategy. Once the recipe is unlocked, you'll need specific materials. You'll require 5 acorn shells, 2 tough gunk, and 1 sap. Acorn shells come directly from the acorn pieces you've already gathered. Tough gunk is a drop from defeating more formidable insects like stink bugs or orb weavers. Sap can be collected from tree branches or crafted from plant fiber at a workbench. With all your materials in hand, open your crafting menu and select the Acorn Turret. Once crafted, choose a strategic location to place it. Consider areas where enemies frequently approach your base or near vulnerable structures. These turrets will automatically target and fire at any hostile creatures that come within their effective range, providing valuable automated defense. Remember to regularly check and repair your acorn turrets using raw materials to keep them operational. For even stronger base protection, consider building several turrets to cover different approach vectors. They are a fantastic addition to any base defense. Also, for staying refreshed during your adventures, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is key to survival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.